Guys, here I am driving my 2004 Chevy z71, bone stock engine, no intake, no headers, no tune, nothing like that. Running a 2800 TCI stock converter and a Hayden's transmission cooler. I'm just showing you guys that, you know, you can do a torque converter like a 2800. You can still drive it daily, no issues. So I've been driving it for about a month with this torque converter, and it's been great. I like it. I can definitely tell a difference between stock and a 2800 stall. The only really big complaint that I have, which I knew I was getting into this whenever I got the converter, is taking off. You know, see, I'm driving it normal right now, no issues, but you got to give it a little bit more gas to get moving. And as you know, that'll mess with your fuel mileage. You know, going through town or whatever, going to get some food, you're going to use more fuel. But you don't have to go over 2800 RPMs to get the truck moving. That is a big lie. Real misconception. This car's about to pull out in front of me. Hello, old lady. But yeah, it's a good. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyone that wants to do it, I suggest you do it. I think it would be a very good investment. This converter was only $200 off good old eBay. But I'll pull a U-turn here and I'll do a little 0 to 60 in just a second. I'm in the middle of, I'm kind of in the country out here, but we got workers and we got, you know, I'm in the middle of a damn, you know, neighborhood. But this is daily. This is just how you would drive, you know, going through town or whatever. Second. Third. Fourth. And lock up. Locks up at 55, but I'll show you guys a little 0 to 60 here, because I know that's why y'all are here, and I'm sitting here rambling. So we shall show y'all what y'all want, what you can expect from a stock 5.3 liter with a 2800 stock converter. I'm gonna get a little bit down this hill. My neighbors get mad at me. They're really nice. I like them, and all these neighbors, I ain't trying to piss no one off, and my exhaust is kind of loud. But it does run good. I do like it. And if you do this, go ahead and get a transmission cooler. I've heard that you don't have to have one, but it's recommended, and that's all I have to hear for me to do it. So this is going to be going downhill a little bit, so it's going to look a little bit faster than what it really is. Sorry about the video quality, guys. My phone sucks. There's 50. I had to slow down because I got a big old truck coming down my road. But yeah, guys, that's what you can expect from a four-wheel drive, you know, stock truck with a TCI converter, 2800 stock converter. Anyways, guys, hope y'all liked the video. someone out here. I say do it. If you're gonna do it, you only live once. Y'all have a good day.